egbe ƒe nuƒoƒoa yi ɖe mia nɔviwo, mia tɔwo, mia dadawo le Gɛ le Ghana, le Gɛ, le Kumasi, le Tema, Koforidua kple tɔmɔ. Are you a Newe? Are you a Newe? This is the topic that we're going to speak today. Are you a Newe? If someone comes and asks you, are you a Newe? This is what you're going to answer the person. I'm going to give you two types of answers. The first answer is kind, very polite, yeah. But the second one is more aggressive. So be ready to hear what I'm going to say. If somebody comes and asks you, are you a Newe? Or are you Ayigbe? Do you speak Ayigbe? Do you speak Ewe? Then you're going to tell the person, I don't know what you're trying to say. I don't know what is Ewe. I don't know what is Ayigbe. Could you explain to me what you are saying? Then probably the person will try to explain, or maybe they will ask you if you are from the Volta region, or they will try to say it in many ways. Then you let the person talk finish. When the person talk finish, then you go say, oh, okay, you mean Ewe. Okay, yes, I am Ewe. And you try to get the person say it properly. I am Ewe. And you let the person try to say it properly. So this is the first answer, which is polite, and you also teach the person how to pronounce. Then the second answer, when somebody asks you, are you Ayigbe? Then what you're going to answer is, no. It's not Ayigbe. There's nothing such as Ayigbe. There's nothing such as Ewe. Then you go say to the person, are you a Bru? Are you a Gɛ? This is what you're going to tell the person. And yourself, are you a Bru? Are you a Gɛ? Now, probably the person we don't know what you're trying to say. Then if they ask you, you say, there's no such a thing as Ayigbe. Ayigbe doesn't mean anything. Ewe doesn't mean anything. We say it Ewe. Now, whether the person like it or don't like it, just, you say Ewe. Now, if you want to go further, then you can say, I'm Anglo, I am Wadome, I am Akpini, I am Agave, I am Tongu, and so on and so on and so on. And you can even tell which town are you from. Yes, this is how, because I've noticed that when it comes to our own, when we see people from other tribes or from other countries, we don't say, we don't put ourselves first, or like we're not proud of where we come from. So if somebody comes and asks you those kind of things, this is what you're going to answer the person. Yes. And if the person is not ready to make any effort, then don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Just, you don't mind the person. Like, don't try to be too friendly or don't try to be too polite. No, you get the person, try to understand why we need to pronounce they need to pronounce it very well. Why am I saying this? Because we can keep going and having people say Ewe, even us, we say it Ewe, or I speak Ewe, or I'm an Ewe person. No, we need to say the right way. And it also influenced the other tribes not to respect us as they should. And this kind of behavior the Western people, may I say, this is the type of behavior they do. Because when it comes to calling our names or local names, they don't make any efforts, because they say that, oh, it's in a foreign language, so I will not make any efforts. And when also it comes to calling our names, the name of our countries, they also don't make any efforts. So if you have friends that still say Ewe or Ayigbe and all those things, if they are your true friends, then tell them this is not how we pronounce it. We pronounce it Ewe. That's all. That's all. So this is my message for today, and I really hope that you guys will act and do something about it, because we can't stay behind and having people, seeing us as the lowest ethnicity or the lowest tribe, or always trying to put ourselves down because of people from other tribes. No, this is not possible. So if they ask me, I'm going to say I am Adjavi Komanya, Adjavi to Adjatoma. This is what I'm going to say if they ask me. So so that's all for today, guys.